What's up, everybody? It's Court. I'm here at Pizza Shop-Monticello with owner Bill Huff. We're here at Monticello, Shawnee Mission Parkway, Western Shawnee. Bill, all your pizza's awesome, but what are you making today?
I'm going to make an original round table pizza. It's one of our more popular ones.
Okay, let's check it out.
Start off with pizza sauce. We put bottom cheese, Canadian bacon, pepperoni, beef topping, sausage, mushrooms, green pepper, onions, and black olives. We top it off with extra cheese and whiz over. That's a round table pizza.
Very good. So we're gonna go pop it in the oven here.
Here's the round table coming out of the oven.
We got one done for you there. Let's serve it up.
That's the original round table pizza.
Awesome. And so you've been here 18 years?
Yes, 18 years.
18 years. What year did you open up? I know.
2002.
2002. That's great. And Pizza Shop is also known for its pink stuff.
Absolutely.
Yeah, tell us about the pink stuff. If someone's never had it before.
It's a family recipe from the original owners and franchisors of Pizza Shop. It's a creamy garlic dressing, and people just love it.
Yeah. You know, you can put it on salad. I love it having it on the pizza. I think that's great. So, well, thanks, Bill. Congratulations on 18 years. Come on out to Pizza Shop Monticello and Shawnee Mission Parkway in Western Shawnee. Appreciate it, Bill.
Thank you.
Yep, and we'll talk to you guys soon, later on.